Hello everyone. So in this part, we will continue with the HTML list that we covered in the previous tutorial. And today, you are going to learn how to create nested list. So nesting means you put a list inside another list. And in HTML, there is no restriction how you nest list elements. For instance, you can put an unordered list inside another unordered list, or you can put an ordered list inside another ordered list, or you can simply nest an ordered list inside an unordered list. So there is no restriction and you have all the possibilities. So we are going to learn how to do that in a right way, and I'm using the same document that we created in the previous video. Now let's suppose I want to expand this product list item and add some products. So I'm going to insert or nest a list inside the li element. So just make some space here and add another unordered list. Now we can add some products using li tag like RAM, monitor, and keyboard. So it's very simple, right? The only thing that you need to remember here is that the sublist will always be the child of list item. Like here, this sublist is a child of product list item. And if you put this sublist, for example, outside the product item like this, the output would be the same, but your code is not correct according to HTML5 specifications. In this case, now our sublist has become the child to the outer list and has no association with any of the list item. So just make it right again and save the file and reload the browser. And there you see a sublist is added under the product. You can also add an ordered list inside the unordered list. Like if I want to expand this contact item, so I can do like and mention items like contact via email or contact via telephone. So let's now save the file and render the page, and here you see an ordered list inside the unordered list, right? And in HTML, the nesting labels are undefined. That means you can nest as deeply as desired. There is no minimum and maximum limit. So this is how we create a nested list in HTML, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.